Some people think it's just too far-fetched, almost like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Others see it as a natural next step in our scientific journey, especially with all the advancements in telescopic imaging and interstellar scanning. We're talking about the recent buzz surrounding the so-called Three-Eye Atlas aliens. This mysterious term is creating quite a stir in the astronomical community, sparking debates over whether we're witnessing the first credible signs of extraterrestrial intelligence or simply chasing shadows in our quest for meaning. As new information floods in from observatories around the globe, it's clear that our understanding of life, whether on Earth or beyond, is becoming more intricate by the day. Now, here's the interesting part. News travels fast in the age of social media, but few stories have managed to shake the scientific community quite like the unfolding saga of the Three-Eye Atlas aliens. Are we looking at a mere anomaly in the cosmos, or could this be the long-sought proof that we're not alone in the universe? This debate is heating up, and it's not just about astronomy anymore. It's about our very place in the cosmos. Some folks are convinced it's an alien signature. Others think it's just a case of misinterpretation. So, what's really going on here? And what do these new findings mean for the future of science and exploration? To get to the heart of the matter, let's take a step back. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, has been a roller coaster ride filled with hope, disappointment, and even a bit of paranoia. It all began back in 1960 with Project Ozma, where scientists used radio telescopes to listen for signals from other star systems. Over the years, there have been tantalizing moments, like the infamous "wow" signal in 1977 and the mysterious dimming of Tabby's star, each fueling speculation, yet none providing definitive proof. Today, the drama unfolds with a mix of international institutions at the forefront. We have the Three-Eye Observatory Consortium, which includes the Institute for Interstellar Intelligence, the European Southern Observatory, NASA, and teams from China's Fast Radio Telescope. And let's not forget the growing number of independent researchers and citizen scientists hopping on board. Everyone is watching closely, aware of the potential implications for their reputations and the security aspects involved. But it's not all smooth sailing. Skeptics caution that with every new claim, the scientific community risks veering into sensationalism. Supporters argue that dismissing anomalous data could mean missing out on groundbreaking discoveries. The real challenge lies in verifying the data and interpreting it without falling prey to bias or hysteria. The stakes are high, not just for scientific credibility, but for the big philosophical questions that arise if we ever truly detect intelligent life. The excitement centers around data collected by the Three-Eye Atlas, an all-sky survey platform that combines optical, infrared, and radio imaging. Recently, it picked up a structured signal from the HD 40307 star system about 42 light-years away. This signal is unlike anything we usually encounter in astrophysics. Instead of the random noise we might expect, these short pulses are modulated at regular intervals, which doesn't match known natural phenomena like pulsars or stellar activity. Researchers have even dubbed it the "wow" Mark II. This signal repeats every 192.7 hours, exhibiting a complexity that some mathematicians liken to digital encryption, a hint of intent behind the transmission. And here's where it gets even more intriguing. The Three-Eye sensors have built-in redundancies that cross-validate signals across different frequencies, effectively filtering out interference from Earth. Plus, independent verifications have come from the Chinese FAST telescope and even amateur radio astronomers in Australia, all noting the same structured signals. Let's hear from Dr. Layla Anders, a seasoned SETI analyst. She points out that while pattern signals can be suspect, the unique combination of recurrence, frequency, and complexity makes this case stand out from anything we've detected before. Of course, skeptics are quick to remind us of past false alarms. Remember when pulsars were first discovered? They were initially labeled little green men due to their regularity. Still, the patterns observed in the Three-Eye Atlas data don't align with known astrophysical processes. The HD 40307 system is particularly interesting because it contains super-Earth exoplanets, some of which sit in the habitable zone. Advocates for the alien interpretation argue that if any system could support interstellar signaling, this one might just be it. But not everyone is on board with the alien hypothesis. Dr. Patrice Moreau from the Royal Astronomical Society emphasizes that extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. She reminds us that even signals that seem artificial can have natural origins. Some theorists suggest we might be looking at instrumental errors or undiscovered cosmic phenomena. With the increasing number of satellites altering radio weather, things are more complicated than ever. Proponents counter that a thorough review since the signal's detection has ruled out most common terrestrial interference, and they've checked for software errors across redundant systems. Dr. Vinitha Pillai, the lead researcher at the Institute for Interstellar Intelligence, claims that attempts to replicate the signals using known cosmic or electronic processes have all fallen short. Still, critics warn about the dangers of confirmation bias, reminding us that just because we can't explain something doesn't mean it's alien. So, what does the future hold? If these signals turn out to be genuine and traceable to a non-human intelligence, the implications are mind-boggling. In the short term, we could see a shift in research funding, international discussions on cosmic protocols, and a surge in public interest, perhaps even unrest. Long-term, acknowledging a technologically advanced extraterrestrial presence could shake the foundations of everything from planetary defense to philosophy and religion. Some experts are even suggesting we create an international scientific clearinghouse. Think of it as a United Nations for Extraterrestrial Affairs, to ensure transparent data review and dissemination. They recommend real-time publishing of observational data to harness global crowdsourcing, coordinated multi-wavelength follow-ups, and advanced AI tools for pattern recognition. Skeptics are calling for more data and greater transparency as new observations roll in. Meanwhile, advocates stress that rigorous science, not speculation, should drive the next steps. For now, the data continues to pile up, and the scientific community remains cautiously expectant. In conclusion, the saga of the Three-Eye Atlas aliens reflects our ongoing struggle between skepticism and hope. Some view it as clear evidence of a nearby civilization. Others see it as just another intricate natural process we haven't quite grasped yet. What's clear is that the data from the Three-Eye Atlas presents a significant challenge to our understanding of astrophysics, demanding careful scrutiny and transparency. The future might reveal this as another case of mistaken identity in the cosmic haystack, a reminder that the universe is vast, strange, and more complex than we often imagine. Or it could mark the moment contact becomes a reality, not just a dream. For now, the signals remain a mystery, and the debate expands just like the universe itself. What do you think? Is it alien handiwork or just another puzzle on our endless quest for cosmic understanding? The answer, as always, depends on where you stand.